Hello friends, welcome back to Geeky Sanjay. Today we are going to start a very interesting series AWS, Amazon Web Server. We will start by learning how to make EC2 instances on AWS and link them to your own computer. Let's get started. So first what you have to do, just sign up on AWS Amazon.com and log in as a root user and you will direct to the console home. So simply I already created account. You have to just click here and I will just log in it. So as you can see, I logged in AWS. So here we will search EC2. Click on this EC2. So what is EC2? EC2 stands for Elastic Compute Cloud. It's a service provided by Amazon Web Service AWS that allow you to rent virtual computer known as instances on which you can run your own applications. Just we will click on here instances and you can see I already created an instance here. You simply click on the launch instances button. Here you just give the name of the instance. So I will put the name test 14th May. Next we have application and OS images. Here you will find different type of machines to choose from such as macOS, Ubuntu or Windows for Amazon machine image. Opt for one that eligible for free tier to avoid extra changes. For instance, select the Ubuntu architecture for 64-bit system. We will keep it here like a free tier eligible. Okay, we have one more here which we can do 22 version, but we are using the 24. So just keep in mind, just select the free tier eligible. If you are selecting this, then you Amazon Web Server will charge you extra amount. And we have here 64-bit 86, that is fine. Next, we are moving to the instance type. Here we are again selecting T3 micro free tier eligible. Whenever I click on this, I have a many different type of instance, as you can see here. Medium, large, extra large, large, but we are keeping free tier one, that is the micro type. And next we have to create a key pair login. Next, let's talk about the key pair login. If we want to grant access to a specific individual, we create a new key pair by selecting create new pair. We can name it, for example, AWS credentials. When we click to create it, a file name AWS credentials.pem or .ppk will be downloaded. Only those who process this file can log into the machine we have created. We have already created other files and now I will show you the new files to create here. Create new ppk pair. Click on this and here we have to put the name of the pair. So I will write it down here, test 15th May AWS credentials. Here we will select key pair type RSA and we have two format private key like PEM and the PPK. PEM, this is the type of file that can store different kinds of secret codes used for security. And PPK, this is the type of the file holds secret code used specifically with a program called a Putty on Windows computer. In summary, PEM files are more universal and can be used across different platforms and applications, while PPK files are specific to Putty and are used for SSH authentication on Windows system. So whenever you are connecting your machine or authenticating your machine using the Ubuntu or macOS, you will download this PAM file, and if you have a Windows machine, then you just select and download the PPK file. So I have a Windows machine, so I will show you with the PPK file on Windows machine, because PAM file is very straightforward. I will let you know both the way how you can do it. So just simply click on create key pair. It will tells you to download the file. So I downloaded here. Next, move to the network setting. When creating a security group, you will find an option to allow SSH traffic from a specific source. This source can be set to anywhere, custom or my IP For now, we will choose my IP to restrict access only to your current IP address. No further changes are needed for this time. So why I choose my IP? Because we do not want to give access to other person to enter in my machine. That's why I'm keeping it to my IP. If you want a group or like a series of IP, then you also can just choose other one. Next, configure storage. The 8 GB and GP3 is more than enough, and we will not change anything in this. Now we are keeping it simple, so we are not going in the advanced details. And now we will click on the launch instance. So it will take some time. Now as you can see, it is successfully initiate the launch of instance. So we simply click here instances. Here you can see we have created test 14th May and it is running T3 micro, and now it is initializing. Now we will connect this test 14th May with our system. So simply click here, click on this connect, and here just go to SSH client, and here it has written some instructions how we can connect this. We can connect with this the Ubuntu system and macOS. So simply what you have to do, you have to open the SSH client like terminal in Ubuntu and locate your private key wherever we saved it. Most of the time we will save it in the download folder. To locate the download folder, or if you save on a specific folder, just go there and on the directory. So simply we can go there using the CD and the folder name, and whenever we are located this file, simply run chmod 400 and your file name. So what it will do, it will just assign the permission to your file. And then next what we have to connect using the DNS instance. So this is the instance. So for example, you can connect like this, copy this code and paste it there. So you have to make 3 steps. First you have to be reach there using your SSH client or terminal wherever your file is located. Then you have to copy this and run it. Then next you have to copy this and run it. So what it will do, it will connect simply with your system. So this is the one way you can connect if you have a Ubuntu or macOS. But if you have a Windows, then you have to do the little slight different method, which I will tell you in some time. To connect with the window, what you have to do, first you have to install the Putty software. That software you can download from the Google. Just simply write it down, Putty download, and this file will open putty.org. Click on here and you can download your Putty from here. Okay, after downloading you have to install. There is very simple installation is there. After installation you have to open the Putty. So I install the Putty and I open it. Now we will configure it. So as you can see, we have a host name or IP address. Simply copy this URL from here using the Control C and open the Putty and put URL here in the host name and keep it here selected SSH. Then go inside of SSH and click on the auth, open it, click on the credentials and click on the browser and find it out wherever you save your AWS credentials and open it and simply click on open. So here it just asking for the permission, which we will give it here access. So as you can see, we already connected with the server, and simply we will write it down one command here. So we will type ls space dash LA, and whenever we enter, you can see we have some files here. So this file, like this dotted file, this is not on our local system, but it is present in the server. So it will prove that, it will tells us that it is connected successfully with our server. Now we have created EC2 instance and connected it with Windows machine, and it is very simple to connect with the Ubuntu and macOS. If you learn something from the video, please like, share and subscribe and follow me on Instagram. You also can visit my website geekysanjay.com for my written notes and so on. Thank you.